So this is how you can convert an Android to iPhone. Now, obviously, it's not like you can just install iOS on an Android device, but what these type of Android devices have, and it's a great feature, and this is the ability to install a launcher. And launcher is essentially a theme which can be placed on the top of your existing UI. So if you open up the Play Store, you can look up an iOS launcher, right? So you can find it in here and essentially just ensure that you are, of course, inside of the apps section. And there are many different like launchers which you can pick. But if you look up launcher in terms of iOS, you'll be able to find many of them which are claiming to look exactly like your iOS iPhone, but on the Android. And then you can just look up or open up the app, make sure that it loads up, and you can essentially just start using it as if it were, the actual iOS device. Naturally, it's not going to be as good or as polished. It's just a skin on top of it, but it works kind of well. But in order to ensure that this is going to be the default launcher, you need to open up the settings app and locate the app section and find the iOS 18 launcher app settings. And there are going to be a default menu. So if you go to the home screen, you can select a default home app and you can switch it from the built-in one, which can be like I do, One UI home. You can switch it over to launcher iOS 18 or whichever iOS launcher you decided to go with. And that's essentially how you can switch and make it a default way of using the phone. So let me know below in the comments if it helped or if you managed to figure it out for yourself. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial in the future.